Welcome back. Here's how to use the WhatsApp privacy extension. Step 1. Installation. Go to Google, type Premium Sender in the search bar, and scroll down to the website. At the top, navigate to Premium Hub Toolkit and select Privacy Extension for WhatsApp. On the web page, click the Blur WhatsApp Web Chats Instantly button. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. On the right, click Add to Chrome. Add the extension, then pin it to your toolbar for quick access. Click on the WhatsApp privacy icon and let WhatsApp Web reload. Step 2. Enable privacy features on WhatsApp Web. Click on the extension on the top right. And now, there is option to click on Toggle All Features. This instantly blurs your chat list. Step 3. Customize blur settings. Use the intensity slider to control the strength of the blur effect. Adjust it for a dimmer look or a stronger blur. It works left to right. Step 4. Individual blur settings. Want to show just profile pictures or media previews? Simply turn off those specific options while keeping the rest enabled, such as last message preview, blur profile photo, blur images, and more. Lastly, explore additional tools. Click on More Tools to discover helpful add-ons. Give it a try today, quick and simple. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to Blur images and more.